In previous videos, we covered the basics on designing your own PCB. In this one, we will show you how to send out your designed PCB for manufacturing. We will cover what Gerber files are, how to generate them, and what they are used for. Then, we will cover some fabrication house considerations before sending out our design. Let's get started. The Gerber format is a 2D binary vector image file format. It is the standard file used by PCB industry software to describe the PCB images, like copper layers, solder mask, legend, etc. This is what we will need to upload to the Fab House's website when ordering our PCBs. In Eagle, it's very easy to generate Gerber files. Go to the toolbar on the top of the window and click CAM Processor, and a new window will pop up. If we go down the left side of the window, there's all the files the job will create for us. Moving on to the Gerber files, click on Gerber and make sure to change the output type to Gerber RS274X, as this is the format most Fab houses accept. The name of the file has the format folder/filename.extension in case you want to change it. Do not change the extension. Now, before we finish up, check the Export as Zip box at the top. Most Fab houses ask you to upload zip files, so we might as well save ourselves the effort. Now we are done, so click Process Job and save the folder somewhere easy to access. We can also generate the bill of material BOM with the CAM processor. The bill of material is a list of every component used on your board. In the left column, click on Bill of Material under the Assembly tab. There, you can choose your output type and the list type. In this example, I am choosing text for my output. It will give you valuable information to facilitate ordering components, as for example, the quantity, value, and package size of the component. Every Fab house will have different capabilities at different prices. This means that certain portions in your design might become expensive without your knowing. For this reason, you should always check their website for their capabilities to plan ahead and avoid unnecessary costs. Easy things to check are trace width and spacing, as well as via sizes. Sometimes they're nice and have a design rule check or DRC for you to download that you can use to check if your design meets their requirements. If you don't know what a DRC is, check out our video on board layouts before watching the rest of the video. I used the EuroCircuit DRC as the company we usually order from does not provide one. For the most part, RoboJackets orders from all PCBs, so let's take a look at their website to order ours. In the PCB Capabilities tab, you will find all of the constraints your PCB should accommodate to prevent extra costs. So if you are ready to proceed, head back to the main site and fill in the fields in the PCB Prototype section, and click Quote Now when you're done. Right now, I am working through the settings of the example, so I am setting the dimension of my board, as well as setting the quantity that I would like. I am also setting the number of layers and the thickness of the board. You can also see the minimum hole size, which is related to the minimum via drill size. Once you're done, add it to the cart. The last thing we need to do is upload our design. Remember that if you are working with Eagle, you should output your files as Gerber RS274X, or the files will not pass inspection and they will ask you to re-upload them correctly. That's it. If the files pass inspection, the last step is to pay for the PCB and wait for your design to arrive. Thanks for watching.